What's up, you guys? It's your boy Glitzy Gang here. I can't believe. Don't y'all know? I just hit the Pro 1. At least like 10, no, like 5 minutes ago. Hey, y'all, look. This dude's so fat that you can't even see my dude from the other side. Dang, I don't even know what you want to do now. I'm gonna come over here to this V. What's up to everybody in the broadcast? Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I do videos every day. Make sure to leave comments right now. My broadcast. So make sure to tell people to join. You could ask me some questions. Hey, for the people that's in my broadcast, so what's the best jumper in 2K16? What's the best jumper in 2K16 that I should get? This looks. I'm gonna try. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pick a random jumper. Not even looking. Boom. Release 58. Alright, that sounds good. Did I unlock any more dunks? Doesn't look like it. What's up to people in my broadcast? Just tell people to join. Start to ask me some questions, y'all. Dang. What's the one? What's the? Wait. Oh, that's a dance with ball. Ooh, that was lit. people in the broadcast, ask me some questions. Yeah, for the people on my broadcast, this is a way to level it up. Dang, let me say that I'm all over. This is a way for you to rank up much faster. Where the my park clothes, just the same thing I'm wearing. This is for the flyers.
DJ Khaled, Confident Music, we the best, we taking over. Spread out with it, South Carolina, Alabama, Mississippi, on North Carolina, Philadelphia, Virginia, from down in Miami, where it warm in the winter, on up to Minnesota, where it's storm in the winter, Jacksonville, Tallahassee, Memphis, Holla at me, B&H Town, Southside, Cloverland, Dad, I'm the man out in Dallas, better ass Cali, Cat Cali with my eyes open valley, blowing that spinning, going down Benny, drop 643, wheel get switch, red light stop, make it drop on the with it, anything with it, I said I meant it, can't got the crown, then spread out with it, say you need I said I get it. We can supply you, got enough work to feed the whole town, they won't shoot unless you try to, come around and try to stop on our ground, cause we taking over, said we taking over, said we taking over, said we taking
Yeah, remember. Wait, let me do this. Hey, I'm Caleb.
This is good. I'm about to die. I'm about to die.
Okay, y'all, it's your boy Glizzy Game back. Glizzy Game, also known as Jay. I'm back in this own thing. Let's just get this on thing on started. Let me know what game should I play next. Black Ops 3 or Grand Theft Auto 5, or should I continue playing on 2K? Hey, yo, this man ain't missing nothing. What the heck, y'all? Dang. Make him come up to the room. I'm gonna try to block it. That's all I'm gonna do. Oh, what the heck? Dang. Make sure to subscribe to me at J6686. For the name Jay, it's JAY 6686. Dang, he messed me up right there. Oh yeah, and here's a little thing that I learned from this person, from this YouTuber. His channel name is Pretty Boy Fredo, and this is what he told me, like in the park. Make sure you don't get like a D, a E, or like a F. Though, make sure, like, try to keep like a C, a B, or a dang, or an A. Then you'll level up faster too. Dang, that ain't nothing. I'm gonna try to play as a team somewhere. What's that? Legends? Yeah, I might play here too. Hey, you, come back, I'm over here. AK-47, come back. I seen you, I played with you earlier. You're good. Oh yeah, I need to do something too. Signature styles. Nope, not there. The heck? Uh-oh. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna just turn my mic off so I can concentrate real quick on some game because I really want to win. What's up? Start asking me questions, y'all. Let me know. Should I play on GTA next or Black Ops 3 next? Dang. Like I did a random shot pick, and I think I'm using release 53 right now. That shot was straight wet. Yeah, For the people with my broadcast, let me know if the game is lagging. Bruh, let me get the ball. I need to at least get like a C. Alright, that second chance point though. No. But that man reach. Yeah, I did Black Ops 3 or dang, what's my other game again? I forgot that quick. Or oh yeah, or Grand Theft. Wait, no, I'm not gonna do that. Or Grand Theft Auto 5, Bill 3, or Grand Theft Auto 5. Which game? Which one of those games I'll try to play up next? Dang, I can't travel. Hey, y'all, tell people to join the broadcast. Make sure to leave comments on my videos, like them, and also subscribe to me. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna turn my mic off so that I can concentrate on game more. So some more to win.
It's time for Dragon Basketball, Parkside fans. Tip-off is coming up shortly. The matchup in this one is your beloved Parkside Dragons going up against the Bulldogs from Midtown. So let out a roar and let me hear you give it up for your Parkside Dragons.
Yeah. Hey. Oh, damn.
Vic, come on, let's just go find our seat.
Hey, yeah, no, I'm coming. Hold up. Go. Hey, what's up, baby?
Hey, let's go, freak. Let's get this win, baby.
Hey, yo, FOF, right here. Hey, who want to meet up after, yo? Call me.
Vic, let's
Call
go.
me.
Come sit down. Come on, the game's about to start.
Get a nice clean game, huh?
You got it. Let's get the ball inside. Move the ball. It's sticking too much. got it. Let's get the ball inside. Move our feet.
Brad Jones.
You got it. Let's get the ball inside.
Court Keeper.
You got it. Let's get the ball inside.
3 for 3. That's the end of the quarter, ladies and gentlemen. Dragons are behind, but we know they are capable of coming back.
Get the ball inside.
Okay, y'all. I'm in the game off with one more shot from on my team. Wait, did I say in the game off? With one more shot? I mean, in the video off with one more shot. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Peace. Have a good day. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe on my videos.